Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial, we will check about the largest of three numbers in Java program. So we are going to quickly take three numbers. Suppose int number 1 is equals to 10, int number 2 is equals to suppose 12, and int number 3 is equals to check which among these three is greatest and then print the greatest number on the screen. So for this we have to use if logic. Within if we have to check which of them is greater than the other two numbers. So the logic will be very simple. So we have to check if number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 1 is greater than number 3, then obviously number 1 will be the greatest number. Otherwise we will check with number 2 is greater than number 1 and number 2 is greater than number 3, then number 2 will be the obvious choice for the largest number. And then if both number 1 and number 2 are not the largest number, then obviously we are left with only one choice, that is number 3, and that is going to be the largest number. But you can also check for number 3 as well. If you want to check with the condition that number 3 is greater than number 1 and number 3 is also greater than number 2, then it is going to be the greatest number. So how do we convert that into a logic? Suppose we are checking for number 1 is greater than number 2, and then we have to use the AND condition. We have to check that number 1 should be greater than both number 2 and number 3. So this is the condition. If number 1 is greater than both number 1 and number 1 is greater than number 3 as well, then this is going to be the largest number. So we will print over here like sysO control tab, print number 1, and then in comment we will have is greatest. So if number 1 is greater than both number 2 and number 3, then it is going to be the greatest number. Otherwise we will check for the other number, that is else if, and similarly we will have to write the condition, that is this time we will check for number 2. That means number 2 should be greater than number 1 as well as it should be greater than number 3. So it should be greater than both the numbers that we have on our screen, and then this is going to be the largest number. So we will just copy this one and paste, and then we are going to replace this that number 2 is greatest. And what I said is if both number 1 and number 2 is not the greatest, then you are left with only one choice, that is number 3 is greatest. So if you use this logic, this will also work. Otherwise you can increase one if statement over here and you can check for number 3 is greater than number 1 and number 3 is greater than number 2. Use the two conditions within if, include over here where I have highlighted, and then print number 3 is greatest, and then the last else could be that none of them is greatest, which is obviously not going to happen because one of them will be the greatest of the other two. Okay, so let's execute this one and see the output. So here we have got our output that 15 is the greatest. So we can also see that with the naked eyes that 15 is the greatest, but with the programming logic this works fine. That means we are getting the result, and this is the perfect logic that we have written for finding out the greatest number. Now suppose if you change the first one, number 1, with 19, and now if you execute, definitely 19 is going to be the greatest number. But how that is getting calculated? For example, what will happen is here the checking will start from number 19 is greater than num2. That means num2 is 12. So it will check that 19 is greater than 12. Definitely this will turn out to be true. This condition is going to be true, and then it will check that 19 is greater than num3, that is 15. So 19 will also be greater than 15, and this will also turn out to be true. So this true and this true, and we have AND logic. So whenever AND logic is applied, if both the condition that we are checking turns out to be true, then the whole result is true. That means this will be replaced by true, and if the condition turns out to be true, then the body of this if will get executed. So both of them have turned out to be true, so this if is going to get executed, and we will have number 1, that is num1 19 is greatest printed on the screen. So if we execute this, you will see 19 is greatest is getting printed. Now suppose we change this one for num2, and now what will happen is we will check that num1 19 is greater than num2 22. 19 is greater than 22, it will turn out to be false, and this if it it turns out to be false, if one condition turns out to be false, then even if this one turns out to be true, we are going to get the overall result as false, because to be true means to evaluate to true for overall statement or overall if, you need to have both of the checks to return result as true. But here we have 19 greater than 22 turning out to be false. That means this if is not going to get executed, and we will move to next else if, and this time we will check that num2, that is 22, is greater than num1, that is 19. So 22 is greater than 19 is true, so this turns out to be true. And now we will check the next one, that is num2, that is 22, is also greater than 15 or not, and this turns out to be true as well, because 22 is definitely greater than 15, and thus we get both the condition returning the value true, and thus overall evaluation turns out to be true. And that is why this if body will get executed, and we will have printed number 2 is greatest. That means it will print that 22 is the greatest. So if you execute this one, you will get the result that 22 is the greatest. And similarly, if you increase the value of number 3 greater than all, you will get the result that num3 will be greater. So you need to play around with it. The logic is pretty simple. You can code it on your own and try to write this logic on your own, and you will definitely enjoy the whole process. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe our channel to help us motivate. Thank you.